So that's what I talk about when I'm talking about making close friendships. I'm talking about opening up, showing your light. This is going to make the friends for you. Not the hiding so you can sit around people who are drinking and talking about things that you really don't care about. Or you're hanging out with people at a board game night or some sports event, and you really don't care about this, or you're focused on talking about the sports more so than revealing more of who you are and really making a connection with the people there. Those friendships, they will be there. The kind that people really want to know you and see your light, those are the friendships I'm talking about making. And you can only make those kind of friendships when you know about yourself. When you get past this point, because it always happens where you're feeling this resentment and this anger about not being able to open up to other people, and you start opening up and you deal with the eventual backlash. People are going to reject you. People are not going to like you. People are going to be angry at you for showing your light. They are going to. It's a natural thing. It happens. It happens, and it's nothing for you to put any energy into. Don't be like mad at them. Don't be saying, "Let me be me." No, they can't do anything about you being you. You are the only person that can do something about you being you. You are the only person that decides whether you're going to listen to this mess and you're going to go back and hide. You're the only person that can decide to do that. And so this is just a distraction. Once you realize that, you go out there and you be your light, and you'll see people who are like, "Oh, I'm so glad that you did that because I was looking for you." And you are looking for them. You're looking for your people. And so when people say that you only can find people if you are your authentic self, that's what it means. That's what it means.